To make a payment into a user's wallet, you're first going to make sure that the Wallets app is enabled. So I'm going to navigate over to the marketplace over here on the bottom left-hand side, come here to my Wallets app, hit Learn More, and then click Install. This is going to install the Wallets app, and you'll see it's been added to my navigation over here on the left-hand side. So I'm going to navigate over here to my wallets, and you'll see that my accounts have already been created for my users. So if I click into Bob's account over here, you'll see that I'm able to make a payment into his wallet that is connected to the system currency. So my system currency is set to US dollars. So if I just want to pay him in US dollars, then this is the wallet that I would use. This is also the account that's going to automatically receive any affiliate commissions. So if I want to pay him from here, I can click into this wallet and I can go to Actions and I can say Credit Account. I would then choose the amount that I would like to pay to Bob. So maybe I'm refunding him for about $50 US. Here I would select the account. Our US dollars account is automatically chosen. If you hover over the tooltip, it's just going to tell you to select which of his existing accounts you want to send money to. And then you can add a description. So I'm going to say that this is a refund. And then you're going to agree and say, I am sending $50 US to Bob Burger. You'll then be able to credit this account with that money. It's going to tell you that this is successful and you can hit continue. However, if you want to pay them out in a local currency, you're going to navigate back here. You'll see that I'm unable to add an account because I haven't set up the local currencies for my users. So to do that, I'm going to navigate to Setup on the bottom left-hand side, come here to Localization, and then enable all of my currencies. So you would enable the currencies that are relevant to you and your business. I'm just going to go ahead and select them all, and I'm going to hit Save. Now I should be able to navigate back to my wallets by going to Wallets here on the left-hand side, clicking into Bob's account, and now I can add a new account. So from here, I can add a different local currency for Bob. And let's just say that he wants to receive euros. So we're going to look for the euro over there. There we go. And then you can say whether or not this is his commission account. I'm going to say no, this isn't his commission account. And I'm going to hit Save. So now Bob has a second wallet. We can click into this wallet and also pay him out here. And from here, you'll be able to enter all of those details as well, confirm and send. So that is how you can make payments into your clients' wallets.